Hello viewers, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2. To do this, at first go to your Play Store, search bar, search for Roblox. Now Roblox is the update available. Go back to home screen, long press Roblox apps, click on I button. Now scroll down a little bit, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, click on delete, go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now scroll up, click on permissions, make sure all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen and now restart your device. And finally Roblox error code problem solved successfully. That's it.